Dear students and my teacher friends, Namaskar. I welcome you to the presentation lecture on Morgan's analysis of genetic linkage of X-linked genes for eye color and wing form. So, as you can see, the title of today's lecture is somewhat longer in length. So, once again, let me repeat the title of the lecture. Okay, so the title of the lecture is Morgan's analysis of genetic linkage of X-linked genes for eye color and wing form. Now, before delivering the lecture, I would like to show you the problems. I mean, the multiple choice questions, MCQs, which can be framed from this topic. So, first, you have a look at the MCQs. Okay, I'm showing you the MCQs. So, on your screen, these are the questions which can be framed from this topic. Question number 1, 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and 6, question number 7, 8, and question number 9. So this was our question portion, MCQ part. Now the conceptual part, theory portion. Now I'm showing you how I am going to deliver the lecture, what I have included uh, in this presentation to deliver this lecture that I am going to show you. See, we will start our discussion with the parental cross. Parental cross means first we will describe the parents, the genotype and the phenotype, and how the alleles are written and the alleles are present on which chromosome. That part firstly we are going to discuss. Okay, after the parental cross we will get the F1 flies. So on your screen, the male and female Drosophillas are shown. Which one is male, which one is female, and the phenotype. Right now, I am not telling you, but in the lecture, I will tell you. I will explain you everything. Okay, so here the male and female Drosophila are shown, and the genotype, phenotype, and the alleles we are going to discuss over here. And then when we cross this, not we actually, in fact the scientist Morgan, in his experiment he crossed this fly and he got the F1 fly. But for our understanding, for our discussion, we are talking like that we are doing the cross, but not we, in fact the Morgan. Okay, so Morgan first performed the parental cross and he got the F1 flies. So now I am showing you the F1 flies. So from the parental cross on your screen, these are the F1 flies, and uh, Morgan allowed this F1 fly interbreeding. Now, interbreeding means, see, relation wise, these flies, the flies of F1 generation, they are brother sister. So Morgan allow the mating of brother sister fly, Drosophila melanogaster, and then he then he got the F2 flies. So in F2 progeny, he got total 2441 flies. So from the F1 cross, F1 into F1, Morgan got the F2 flies, and total number of the flies in F2 was 2441. So I am also showing you the F2 flies. See, this is a figure 5.3. This figure I have included. See, then I will show you this figure, figure 5.4, Morgan's crossing over hypothesis. We know in F2, uh, some flies, they are having different type of phenotype. They are having non-parental phenotype, and why they are born, why these new phenotypes are produced, what is the reason. So the reason is crossing over, recombination, and new types of gametes are formed, that we are going to discuss. See, figure from another reference book I have also included. So from the another book, these are the parent. So this is the parental cross, male female. So again, I will discuss with you about the phenotype and genotype and how the alleles are shown on the chromosome. See, on your screen, uh, at the bottom, you will find all variety of F2 fly. So once we discuss the number, their phenotype, and when we compare this their number with the parent, and then we will discuss the independent assortment, test cross ratio, and how the F2 phenotypic ratio is deviating from the test cross ratio. And once we complete that discussion with the number, so we will get all the answers for the MCQs. So this way I am delivering this lecture. Right now I am delivering this lecture, recording is going on. One more thing, if you are this lecture is available on my Android app. If you are interested in knowing the name of the book, which reference book, from which reference book the information I have included, so the information regarding the book, I will post that information in the members group. uh, One more thing, if you want the printouts of the lecture, so only the printing charge will be taken from you, and the postage charge. So and the notes will be delivered at your residential address. My name is Manish Kosti sir. I am from Ahmedabad, India. Bye bye. Namaste.